welcome to our vlog. So this is our 16 personality test results. So ang akong let's start with personality type. Ang akong personality type is mediator. So ko ng mediator kanang poetic, tapos kind, charot. Tapos altruistic means dili ko self-centered, dili ko selfish.
Personality type is executive or the excellent organized.
So, mine is entertainer. Kuan daw ko, energetic ko and life never boring around them.
Tapos ang akong energy as mediator is 64% introvert, tas 36% extrovert. So, kanang murag agree ko ani kay di man jud ko ganahan og kanang daghang tawo ba murag ganahan ako ra usa. Kiday. Energy.
Energy is extroverted individuals really enjoy group activities and value social interaction.
Ako energy is 65 introverted. Dili ko agree cause I'm introverted.
Introvert ka
Yes.
para nimo.
Mm.
Ang nature is 54% feeling tas 46% thinking. So murag mas og na ko'y decision ba murag dapat na jud siyang mag-decide is murag ikuan na lang nako itong akong feeling kaysa sa mag-think kung mga kanang ma-insyakto ba.
Nature, taking individuals focus on objectivity and rationality.
Ako nature ka is 58 feelings. Then feelings individuals value emotional expression and sensitivity.
Okay.
Okay.
Ang akong tactics sa punta is 51% prospecting, tas 49% judging. So, prospecting individuals, they tend to be flexible, non-conformists, who value novelty above stability.
So, on tactics, judging individuals are decisive.
Akong tactics is 51 expecting individuals are very good and improve. Ito siya? Improvise.
Improvising.
Improve.
Okay. Tas ang among identity is 56% assertive, tas 44% turbulent. Assertive individuals are self-assured, even-tempered, are resistant to stress. Murag di ko agree ani kay sige jud ko ka stress tapi nagkapit na ang deadline. Bisag layo pang deadline mag-stress ako.
Identity,
Ako na
assertive individual are self.
Akong identity is turbulent ko 64% ug akong assertive is 36.
So di ka agree. Kanang turbulent.
Asa din turbulent?
Murag mag-stress ka ba?
I agree.
Yes. So maura to siya guys. Mauna to siya ang among reaction sa ang 16 personality test result. Okay. Babu.